This is the tab, the hanging indent section here, and I'm going to go ahead with my type tool and just select everything here. And your book says to go to properties, and if you, the little scroll bar is a little hard to see, but if you keep scrolling down, then this is where the bullets and numbers are located. I personally find it much easier to use the paragraph panel. So I'm just going to pull it up here, and I'm actually going to dock it here. It's just much easier for me to work with. So with the paragraph panel, I'm going to select the bullets and numbering, which you already did, and you applied the glyph. That's great. Now we need to make it hanging. So I am going to pull up the tabs panel again and center it up there. So my left margin is where the bullet is, and I'm actually going to bring that in just a little bit. And I am going to set a left justified tab marker near at 5.5. And now I want all of the text to align at that 0.5 marker. So with my shift key, there's two arrows here, little triangles here, and with my shift key I'm going to move that bottom the bottom triangle so that it's aligned at 0.5, and that's going to bring in, that's going to make that hanging, that indent hanging, so it's all aligned.